Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by discovering where data is going. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and sort by network usage. Once you see the top consumers, pause or quit each app to isolate the culprit. Make sure you check both foreground and background processes because many sync services run silently. Also verify your connection type. Wi-Fi versus mobile tethering changes limits, so you know whether to throttle or block traffic going forward. Now you take control. Set metered connection in network settings so Windows or Mac OS treats the link as limited. Then configure per app limits or firewall rules to block high-usage apps. This prevents sudden spikes. Turn off auto updates and cloud backup while you troubleshoot, because these consume large chunks of data. Once done, enable data saver features in browsers and apps. They reduce quality and frequency of transfers, keeping your usage predictable and lower. You finish by monitoring usage for the next 24 to 48 hours. Check the same task manager and network graphs to confirm reductions. If unexpected spikes continue, run a malware scan and inspect installed services. Some hidden processes re-enable syncing. Make sure to reboot after changes so rules take effect. If the problem still persists, reapply stricter firewall rules or contact your ISP to check for network side issues. That one step often reveals carrier-level data anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.